सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खाण आनी जेवण चॅनलांतू सर्वांके स्वागत. आमची गेले रमदेई, गशी, सुकें, उकरी, मिठसाणीचें, गोडसाणीचें सगळें करचें विवरण आमी घालेलें आसा. तें सगळें तुमकां उपकारा जातन म्हणून लिखीत. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Save for a rainy day goes the adage, and how smartly our elders did it. Those days during rainy seasons, vegetables were rarely available, and households had to make do with whatever they had in their backyards or from their brined or dried vegetable stocks. And so here is one such curry with dried mango skin or ambya salt, called Betti Ghassi or empty Ghassi, as it does not use any other vegetable other than the dried mango skin and coconut, which was easily available. And they are cleverly used to make the most delicious curry. For making this curry, get some fresh mangoes, peel the skin along with a little flesh like this. Now chop them to medium-sized pieces. Add salt and keep overnight. Next day, you can see it has let out water. Transfer this to a plate and keep in the hot sun to dry for a couple of days. When it has dried well like this, store them in an airtight container to use later on. To make this ghassi, wash and soak about 5 to 6 pieces in a little water. In a pan, add about half cup of sliced coconut pieces and roast them on a medium flame. You can also deep fry. When they have turned light brown, add 2 to 3 red chilies along with a spoon of oil and continue roasting. Optionally, you can add a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Roast till they have turned brown. Keep aside to cool. In a pan, add the soaked pieces along with some water and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add the fine paste of the roasted coconut. Add some water and cook on medium flame. When it comes to a boil, Lower flame and let simmer for a few more minutes. Your Betti Ghassi is now ready to be served. It's very tasty to eat with rice even without any side dishes.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.